Hi there, my name is Bianca Gonzalez, and I'm the Bullying Prevention Program Coordinator with ABI, and I welcome you to part 2 of our Instagram safety tips. So in case you missed part 1, that's where we covered how to set your profile to public or private, muting stories and posts, knowing how to block a profile, but most importantly, knowing how to report offensive comments, posts, or profiles due to offensive content or cyberbullying. Ultimately, we hope that these videos help you if you are a teenager, if you are a parent, or just anybody that's on social media, just to understand the privacy settings that are offered in order to have a positive experience online. So today we're going to cover some brief settings. So we're going to go into comment filtering, tags, and mentions. So before we do that, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get to those settings. So when you are on the back end of your page or your profile, what you want to go ahead and do is click on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner, and you want to go ahead and click on settings, and then go ahead and click on privacy. So the first 3 are the ones that we will be covering today. All right, let's get into comment controls. So you can actually set the tone with this 100%. So you can allow comments from everybody, people you follow and your followers, just people that you follow, or just your followers. You also can block comments from specific profiles as well. And any new comments from people you block won't be visible to anyone but them. And filters. So we actually have all of these turned on, but you can hide offensive comments. So Instagram automatically hides comments that may be offensive from your posts, stories, and live videos. You can also manually filter comments. So you can choose words or phrases that may be offensive, that may be triggering or negative in any way, and Instagram will hide them. And then they also filter most reported words. So they hide comments that contain words or phrases that are most commonly reported on your posts and stories. So super helpful. And I want to go ahead and cover mentions and tags. So we'll go ahead and do tags. And you can actually allow tags from everyone, people you follow, or no one. And just in case you are allowing tags from everybody like we have, you also can manually approve tags. So you can choose who can tag you in their photos and videos, and when people try to tag you, they'll see if you don't allow tags from everyone. So this is just a really great way of, let's just say you want to keep your profile a little more private and you don't want somebody to tag your page where others can possibly see it. You can set the tone with this to manually approve if you want to be a part of that tag, because you never know. It can be something that's offensive, inappropriate, or cyberbullying related. So we're going to go ahead and go back, and mentions is very similar. So you actually have the option of allowing mentions from everyone, people you follow, or no one. And when somebody mentions you on Instagram, it links your account to that mention, and it's either through stories, comments, and captions. But very similar to tags. When people try to mention you, they'll see if you don't allow mentions from everyone. So I hope these tips were helpful for you in understanding Instagram a little bit further. Don't forget to watch part 1 of our Instagram safety tips and learn more about the privacy settings that I mentioned earlier. And stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Thank you.